Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at 3 top internet stocks for 2024. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here and Happy New Year. I know I am excited to say goodbye to 2023 and looking forward to what 2024 has to offer. Just a reminder that there's about 1.5 days left of the TipRanks holiday sale where you can unlock some great research tools at 30% off. So head on over to the website to take advantage of that. Now today we're taking a look at 3 internet stocks. All of these come in with a lot of buy ratings, but in particular they are liked by one 5-star analyst as well. That is Wedbush analyst Scott Devitt, who is rated in the top 5% of all Wall Street analysts. Now, he really likes these stocks for the year ahead, so we're going to take a quick look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what analysts are predicting for the stock's future. So let's jump right in. First up, we're taking a look at MercadoLibre. Their stock trades under the ticker MELI and is currently priced at $1,543 per share. And I know that's an intimidating price target, but don't forget that fractional shares do exist. Now, they did see growth of 86% in the past year, including growth of over 25% in the last 3 months. MercadoLibre is one of Latin America's leading online retailers. Based out of Uruguay, they focus their operations on the vast area south of the border, from Mexico to Argentina and Chile. They've been operating in that niche for the better part of 2 decades and have built themselves into a regional leader. They boast a market cap of almost $80 billion and describe their business as a trusted, agile, and people-centric ecosystem. At the end of their Q3, they had recorded 120 million active unique users, which was up substantially year over year, and they came out with a pretty notable earnings beat. For their Q3, they reported earnings per share of $7.16, coming in comfortably ahead of the $5.79 expected. They also reported net revenues of $3.8 billion, which was up over 69% on a year-over-year basis. Our 5-star analyst Scott Devitt just increased his price target on the stock to $1,800 shortly after Christmas. He notes that MercadoLibre is the leading e-commerce platform in Latin America with the largest market share of online retail in their 3 key markets of Brazil, Argentina, and Mexico. In addition, they're also operating a scaled digital financial services business that is on pace to process over $176 billion in payments volume this year. Their strong buy rating is based on 12 current analysts with 10 buys and 2 holds. And an average price target of $1,715 would be an upside potential of over 11% from current prices. Down below, we can see our Wedbush analyst here. His price target would imply an upside of over 16%. On the low end, we do have a couple holds here, one with a downside of 12% and a high-end price target with an upside of over 30%. Our second internet stock is the company formerly known as Facebook, Meta Platforms. Trading under the ticker META, they're currently priced at $345. They've seen some crazy growth this past year, up 176%, including nearly 15% in the last 3 months. Meta Platforms, of course, is a well-known giant of social media. As the company behind Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, Meta's dominance of the social media world can be summed up in one number, the 3.96 billion monthly active users that they reported in the 3rd quarter this year. That is about half of the world's total population. Meta has been working on advancements in artificial intelligence, and that was reflected in their latest Q3 report, where they did come out with an earnings and revenue beat. Their 4th quarter is due out on January 31st, where analysts will be anticipating earnings per share of $4.84, which is a notable increase from last year's. In the 3rd quarter, they reported earnings of $4.39, beating expectations here, and revenue at $34.15 billion. Zuckerberg said that they were proud of the work that their teams had done to advance AI and mixed reality with the launch of Quest 3, Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, and their AI Studio. Our 5-star Wedbush analyst is one of 37 who have weighed in on the Meta Platform stock, and he did just reiterate his buy rating on this on December 27th. He said that we expect Meta to benefit from improving monetization of new products, with Reels providing a modest tailwind to revenue in 2024 after becoming revenue neutral and as short-form video spending increases. New generative AI features like Meta AI and AI avatars on Facebook and Instagram have the potential to increase engagement in 2024 and beyond. Meta Platforms is nearly a unanimous strong buy with just 1 hold out of those 37 ratings. The average price target of $391 would be an upside potential of 13%. And down below, once again, we have Scott's rating here. His upside is over 21%. A lot of ratings coming in at that double digits. Our most recent low-end price target would be an upside of $2.81, and we have some high-end price targets above 25%. And our third stock is probably not a big surprise, as they are a behemoth in the online space. That is none other than Amazon. Trading under the ticker AMZN, their stock has been up 75% in the past year, including growth of 21% in the last 3 months. Of course, Amazon needs little to no introduction as the world's largest online retailer. With a market cap of $1.56 trillion, Amazon is one of the world's most trafficked retail sites. They generate approximately $1.47 billion in daily sales revenue. But of course, they have a lot of other businesses on the go, like their TV streaming services Prime, audiobooks, home automation with Alexa, and cloud computing. Amazon did come out with an easy earnings beat in their last quarterly report on October 26th. They saw their net sales increase 13% to $143.1 billion in the third quarter and reported earnings per share of 94 cents, coming in well ahead of the 58 cents anticipated. Five-star Wedbush analyst Scott Devitt said that Amazon is their top pick across internet stocks. And they think that the company is well positioned for 2024 as retail margins continue to improve, AWS accelerates against easing comps, and advertising revenue growth continues to materially outperform the broader digital advertising industry. They also said that their higher margin businesses continue to become a larger share of the overall revenue mixing. Now, there is no shortage of analyst coverage on the Amazon stock. There are 42 current ratings, coming in with an impressive unanimous strong buy. And a fairly bullish outlook as well, as the average price target of $181 would be an upside potential of over 20%. Down below, we can also see a lot of five-star analysts weighing in. Our Wedbush rating here comes with an upside of 39%, and a ton of those being in the double digits. Hard to find a low end, really. We have some down here at 4%, and on the high end, I think that 39% is some of our higher price targets. So there we have 3 strong buy internet stocks for 2024. Let me know your thoughts on these 3 companies in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Of course, keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just showing you what those Wall Street analysts are looking at. So make sure that you always do your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.